Calendars are everywhere, on our walls, on our tables, and even schools have calendar. Hello guys, welcome to God Loves You. And in this video, I'll talk to you guys about Google Calendar as an app for planning as a student or as a person in general. Okay, so just a quick story now. At a point in my as a student, I had some issues because of poor planning. So I had some issues because of that. And one thing I learned so far that has been helping me since that setback was planning. Yeah, and I learned that through things like using your school's calendar as a wallpaper, which sounds funny but it's quite helpful, or using timetable as a wallpaper as well. So they are funny things, but I can tell you they are quite helpful, and they can actually help you a lot in as a student. So for Google Calendar now, the first thing you need to do is to go to your app list and scroll up to calendar, which is C. Okay, so this is calendar here, calendar. Yeah, so just a quick detail here. If you observe, you see this 25 here as the icon of the app. It's actually the date of like the current date. Yeah, so it's just a quick detail that I found interesting, and I said just to tell you guys about it. So today is 25th, and what you have also is 25 as well. So good detail there by Google. So open the app, and so yeah, there you go. You have a blank calendar here. So when you open your calendar app, you have this look here. So you just click on this three icon here and click on month. Okay, so I would like to incorporate my school calendar into my own personal calendar app. So I'll start doing that by clicking on this plus icon here and click on events. So I'll title the event mid semester test. Okay, and it's a 1-week program. I'll start some. Let me check. Okay, let me go to 2023. Click on 2023, the year. Okay, then that will be December 11th to 1st. Then the bottom date is the end date, so that's to 15th. It's a 5-day event. So it starts. So let's say it starts on 7:30 a.m. so 8 p.m. a.m. Then it ends 3 p.m. on that day p.m. Okay, and you can also customize it as well. You can add location. I use a popular lecture hall in my school, 15 Theater. Okay, Lautech College of Health Sciences, Ogbomoso. Yeah, so and I can add notification as well to remind me of the test time. So you can use the day before or a week before by clicking on add notification. Okay, so that's that. So then I can also add a short description of the events here. Let me say it's time to get tested on what I've been taught so far, with some emojis. Okay, that's it. So then I click on save. There you go, the event has been created. So just click on. Okay, if you observe, it's showing May 2024. It's a error. Just click on this incoming. Just click on this this one here, this icon here. It goes to your current date. So yeah, back to normal date, November 25th. Okay, so then sorry, just an issue. So then I come back to my 3 icon here. I click on months. So can you see now? So then I just scroll it. So then this is the normal day here now, 25th of November. This is the correct date. 25th. The 5th. I just scroll to my right. No, to my left, yeah, to my left. And see, can you see it now? It has been created like a bar from the start date to the end date. So it's a nice look and it looks so beautiful and so useful. So next I want to do now is I want to add the specific courses to it now. So I click on the event now, and you see this cool, nice looking something event outline that you can screenshot and save it. It looks so good. You have your mid-semester test there on it here. Then you have the time. So you have the time below here. Then you have the location here. Okay, sorry. Okay, you went to the Google Maps. Yeah, you can also link locations from Google Maps to it as well, to be more specific. Then these are the timers, the notifications to are here as well. And this is my short description here. It's time to get tested on what I've done so far. So it's a nice look which you can easily screenshot as well and save it. So quick screenshots. Yeah. So what next? So okay, so I also add courses individually to this calendar now. Connected icon dots here. Click on duplicate. Done. So then can I add the courses here? So I'll add the first course here now. BCH 304. So these are just random courses, so I'll just add it enzymes. Okay, and then I'll change it. It is the first day here. So since it's just a day course, a day test, I'll just click on the bottom and make it to the same day. So it's just Monday. Okay, so it's the same location. I can just remove it from 1 week to just a day before and 30 minutes before, so I can leave my hostel and rush to this examination center, the test center. Okay, can also change this thing also, the description of the something of the calendar on BCH 304. Then leave some hashtag enzymes, hashtag DNA polymerase. Yeah, so that's that. So save it, and let me check it out in the overview form. Can you see it now? It's here as well under. So one more thing, you can also change the time by dragging it up or down. So this is from 7 a.m. to 8:30 now. Can you see now? Move to Monday, December 11th. This one. So I'll add the second course as well by clicking on the event, then clicking on duplicate, and I would change the course to BCH 308, which should be nutritional biochemistry. That's on Tuesday, so to be Tuesday. Change. So let me make it 7:30 a.m. Okay, same location, same time. Just change this on to 308. And what again? What can I use? Let me just say hashtag food, hashtag balanced diet. Okay, and just a quick note, location, color, tomato, and description is not compulsory, but just make it small, just make it look fancy and attractive. I just like to use it, so that's just quick notes on that. So save as well. And when you check out your calendar in your month view, you see it. Can you see 3 now? You can add color to it as well. So that's just that. So I like to make a random life event, not just about test or exam, rather just on life. Maybe you want to visit a friend now. Let's see, visit John. let me use John. So I want to see John today. Today is 25 in blue. This is 9:25 p.m. So I'll set the time to maybe 10 o'clock p.m. 10 p.m. Okay, and location John's hostel. It's hostel. Okay, and I'll make it 30 minutes before. That's when the location will sound. So that should be 9:30 p.m. So the color should be, let me use banana yellow. Okay, so Fusion meets my good old friend John. So what I want to do some things at this place. I want to learn is notes and what again, let me say discuss politics. So that's just that. So yeah, that's that. So like click on save. So the alarm should sound by 9:30 p.m. Okay, 9:30 p.m. So let's wait till it sounds. Okay. Yeah, it's saved already. It's already saved. So let me just do something else while I wait for it to sound. Just wait for. Let me go to Twitter or X now. X. So let's wait till it's 9:27 p.m. Okay, read some tweets, like it. Okay. Okay, so it means in minutes now. So when it is 9:30 p.m, you should show an alarm or a notification of your phone. It's called push. Yeah, you should see some push on your phone. Let's wait till it's 9:30 p.m. Yeah, there you go. You see now, it shows the event has popped up now, saying visit John's hostel 10:11 p.m. Can you see? It's so nice and so beautiful. Yeah, so that was the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'd like to hear from you guys as well. Do you like calendars or you don't? So if you like calendars, let me know your experience with calendars. Have they been effective as regarding planning your activities? And in case you don't like calendars, with what you see now in the video, we like to use calendar more in your planning for maybe for a test, an exam, or just random life events like visiting a friend, going to the market, doing anything. Okay, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Adios.